Hi, drawing students. So this week we are moving into the illusion of space and depth on a flat field. And this is stuff we talked about in drawing one a little bit, but we're going to revisit it and push it a little farther. So this week, starting on Tuesday, if you open up your folder, you're going to see a bunch of practice. So first, a discussion post. I want you to just comment on your experiences, and then some practice. So if linear perspective is totally foreign to you, you're going to watch this first video and do some small practice copying some boxes and just getting a handle on 2-point perspective. But watch that anyway. Even if you're familiar, you can kind of just fast forward through the parts you're familiar with. And then after you do the practices in here on 2-point and 3-point perspective, then I'm going to have you watch this tutorial and copy the drawing. I want you to use your gray paper, a pencil, and I want you to copy this, because even if you have experience, just getting back in the habit of drawing in 2-point perspective takes a little bit of memory jogging. So go back into this, make a copy of this drawing. So you're going to have those two practices, and then we're going back to our Tuesday folder. The next thing I want you to do is take a walk. It's supposed to be beautiful this week, and so I'd like you to walk around your neighborhood. If you want to go somewhere else to take a walk, you can, but I would like you to take photographs of places that you find interesting. And it's really important when you take these photos that you are standing looking at the corner, because you're drawing, we're going to be drawing 2-point perspectives. When you take your photos this week, you have to have the corner as the center part of your image or as the main thing. You're not taking photos of the entire image. And then there's a little tutorial about this here, so you can check that out. So that is Tuesday's work. Now Thursday is when we're going to start bringing this all together. There is an assignment for you to do in Sketchbook Autodesk. And Sketchbook Autodesk is an app you can get in self-service if you don't already have it. You're basically going to choose one of the images from your walk and trace the lines within it, the vertical lines and the lines that recede to the left and the lines that recede to the right. And you're going to get an outline image. So for those of you who have experience with Autodesk, this is going to be no problem. For those that you don't, I'm uploading a few more support videos here, so you can check those out. And then your next few assignments here, bringing this all together, I want you to draw. So you have two choices for this drawing. You can draw either the image that you traced, or you can make up your own drawing and do it on your own. And you're going to submit a photograph of that to this assignment. And then the last assignment that we have for the week is that I want you to put together all of your practice. It can be everything we did and just put it in one notability note, or these things on the list here. And then your reflection is very important for the end of the week. The two assignments on Thursday are summative, so I want you to look at those a little more carefully. If you have questions, send me an email. If you need more support with Autodesk or just understanding 2-point perspective at all, then you just need to pop into my office hours. So let me know what you need. Have fun.